Hello and welcome. Well, last November, so about 5 months ago, I bought this. And this is a Tanke VELEDGE 1/4" mini tool, ball joint. And I thought, on first impressions, wow, that is such nice quality. I thought that was great. Until about 4 weeks after using, I realised it's a heap of shit, a heap of rubbish. So my warning to you, don't buy one of those. Buy something different. Maybe the small rig version, which is a little bit smaller in this case, but at least it locks it off. I trust that more with the same weight as I would do this. The reason for that is I have found, in my experience, this Tanke VELEDGE M4, it has a habit of you think you locked it off, and all of a sudden it goes like that with your device on it, your phone, and then your phone falls on the floor because the force of that sudden jolt pushes it out of your mobile phone holder. And needless to say, you didn't get a broken glass or something like that. Three things I did like about it was the panoramic on it, so you can literally turn that on the panoramic because you've got an extra screw on the side here, and I thought that was good. But maybe this was unfortunate. Maybe it was a Friday job. Everyone won't go home for the holiday, for the weekend. But I doubt it, because when I looked at it, I take this piece out here, and I've actually had the whole thing apart to see what was going on. The pressure cup that pushes against the actual ball joint is too soft. So what's been happening is, as this screws into that aluminium cup that pushes the ball joint up to lock it off, it just creates loads of marks and dents in it. So it feels kind of gritty, like it doesn't marry up properly. Unfortunate as it is, because the actual design of it I thought was really good. One thing is it's universal on the top mount here. This actually turns right round, so you can have a cold shoot mount on there if you want, just like that. Just by turning it around. Brilliant idea, really useful. And then with the panoramic, really useful, and the feel of it was very good, and also the locking screw was very nice on the hands because it was curved, so it didn't feel like you had to dig it into your fingers. But it's not very handy when that thing goes all floppy. Anyway, let me just show you the web page on Amazon. So this is it, as you can see. Let's move that up. Why is it all out there? Let's just move it down. There you go. So as you can see, it looks lovely quality. That's why I chose it. And the reviews actually weren't too bad on it either. Not on this version of it, as in the actual listing. But I was quite impressed with it until 4 weeks later, 4 to 5 weeks, that started playing up and getting worse and worse and worse. So I don't recommend that. No. What you want to do is get yourself, in fact it's cheaper anyway, in my view, is get yourself the small rig, which is also lovely quality. It's a little bit smaller, and it's a brand that is a known brand, small rig. You get 2 of these, not one, you get 2. I bought 2 in this box, came in this box, on Amazon again. The other one is there, and here's that one. And it was €19.50. So I recommend the small rig at the moment. So far it feels nice. My only grumble with the small rig version is, like a lot of these ball joints, small ball joints, they're not fluid. They tend to be a bit, when it's off, it's all a bit floppy. And I don't like that. I think there should be some resistance there. Some bushing of some description. So that's my view, anyway. So, if I had a choice, I wouldn't buy this. The Tanke VELEDGE, no. I'd get myself the small rig. Anyway, thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe, and maybe that little bell icon, so you get one video in your pocket every time I upload another video. And I hope you'll be excited about that. Oh, okay. So, I'm going to go off to bed, because it's nearly 2 o'clock in the morning. What on earth am I playing at? Oh well. Ta-ta. Look at my eyes, all red. I will stay awake. Oh, okay. Don't forget. Oh, maybe I'll like button. Ta-ta.